Hi folks, my name is Eddie Arredondo with Awesome Ford here in Chehalis. Today we're going to be going over the cruise control in a 2021 Ford Escape Hybrid. So to set the cruise control, all you have to do is hit this button right here on the top right. It will engage your cruise control. It'll give you the steering wheel and some guidelines right there. Obviously we're not moving right now for safety reasons. You could just simply press up, and as you can see, it's giving us a message right now, we're going too slow to activate. But once you do engage, the set icon will turn green in color. From there, you could use the joystick to increase or decrease speeds. And on this model, right now, this is nicely equipped with adaptive cruise control. So you could set the distance that you want to follow the car in front of you in basically 3 different ranges. You got wide, normal, and sporty. Really easy to use. Make sure to like and subscribe to follow any more future helpful tips on all the Ford products. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.